Welcome back. So, how did ABT solve this?
Well, it's on the other table, so let's
we just
move along.
slide over.
Yes. Here you see some examples what we thought of. And you can see there are two different techniques. You can call this the mushroom, and this is called the Sashimono technique, which is a Japanese technique from the timber structures.
Which we can also see here.
Yes, and it's, well, a very nice idea because we have this simple dowel here, and it's, let's say, the key to success. Because you can
Slide it out.
slide it out.
And then
And-
slide it back in.
Yes, and what's very nice about this detail, it's a fixed detail. So it's also bending moments. It's not only a hinge, but it can also have bending moments. And we can fill these gaps here with PLA, which is a circular way of plastic, and we can 3D print that connection there.
And what about points like this?
Well, they're a bit vulnerable, so that's why you need the plastic
We need
there.
that, yeah.
You need the plastic
Yes.
because otherwise they will break in the end. That-
So this is why we just have 99.9% of glass.
That's the
Yeah.
that's the 1%.
Which is not glass.
Yes,
Yeah.
we call that silicone.
Awesome, yeah. So how did you do it on a technical side?
Yes. First of all, I mean, you're going to make a box, and what you could do is maybe you could make some portals here. And if you make a section here, a portal could look like this. And in the end, you would like to have a fixed detail, so
Yeah.
all the forces will go through. So here you can see a detail.
The mushroom.
The mushroom,
Yeah.
yeah. So this is how I started it. Well, some months ago,
Yeah.
I defined all the forces there, and then I looked. Okay, what will happen here? And what you can see is that the biggest forces are on this point because you can imagine it. If there is art hanging from this piece here,
You have a force.
yes, and everything will be here. So the biggest forces will be there, and of course on the back side because it's like two forces coming up and down. So and also F there. So that are the big points.
So will
in this
it
detail.
break or?
No, I will not break because you have to also look at safety. And that's why we always laminate glass structures. So not only one pane, but you laminate more together. So if one breaks, the other one will still hold all the forces.
And then those force problems will not be a problem anymore.
No, of course not.
That's good.
And it's still demountable.
Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for also your results and see you in the next week.